Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your payment information from your Google account or in Google Chrome. Because a lot of time what happens like when you purchase something in Google and let's say Google Chrome, and sometimes you get a prompt that you want to save this card information and you do it. But later on you realize, no, I don't want it for privacy reasons and security reasons. So how can you do this? So that's what I'm going to show you. So when you open your browser, go to settings. Okay, say this. In settings, you will have an option autofills and password. So here you will get payment methods. You see this second option. Go there. It will show you the payment methods that are saved. And on the right hand side, you see there's open option or two with a box with an arrow. Click on that. And here you can go for remove. So this is how simple it is, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a subscribe and like. And thanks for watching this video. And please share your feedback with me. Thank you.